Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes from around the world. On today's episode, we're making a savory and spicy mushroom bok choy stir fry. It's a versatile dish that can be served as a side dish, or it can be enjoyed with rice or noodles as a main dish. It's wholly satisfying and super easy to make, so skip the takeout and let's get started. As always, we start with the prep. We'll chop some garlic. Usually we mince the garlic, but for this stir fry, we like slightly larger pieces. You can also slice them. A nice trick with this vegetable cleaver is to smash the garlic like this, and giving it a rocking chop. Next, we have some button mushrooms. We'll remove the stems and quarter them. You can also replace these with baby bella, shiitake, or shimeji. For this recipe, we'll need about 4 cups, which seems like a lot, but it's really not, as they're one of the 2 main ingredients. Did you hear the joke about the fungus? You won't like it, but it might grow on you. Then finally we have bok choy, also called pak choy or Chinese white cabbage. It's a staple in many East Asian kitchens. We can chop them several different ways. For the small ones, we'll slice them lengthwise like this. And for the larger ones, we can chop the bottom stem, separating the individual leaves. Then cut them in half. Another method we like to use is this one, separating the leaves from the stem, and cut the stem into slices, like this. It really presents well. After they're cut, we'll thoroughly rinse them to remove any dirt that may be hiding inside. For the stir fry sauce, we'll mix 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce. If you can't find vegan oyster sauce, you can replace it with a vegan hoisin or dark soy sauce, which has a little bit of sugar in it. It helps with the caramelization. Then give it a stir and set it aside. Now to cook with fire, or in our case, an induction stovetop. We'll add 1/4 cup of water and allow it to heat up. Then toss in our chopped bok choy and give it a stir. We'll close the lid and allow them to steam for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, the bok choy should have a vibrant green color and should be slightly softened. We'll remove them and set them aside. And wipe down the wok of any excess water. Then add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, along with all of the button mushrooms that we've quartered. We'll toss the mushrooms in the oil until they're golden brown. This will help firm up the mushrooms by removing any excess moisture. Which vegetable goes best with jacket potatoes? Button mushrooms, of course. And then we'll season them with a little bit of soy sauce. This will turn the mushrooms into little umami flavor bombs. We really like these button mushrooms that are quartered. They're firm and they have a really great chewy bite to them. There, this is what we're looking for. Now we'll move the mushrooms to the side and make some space in the center. To add some cooking oil, along with our chopped garlic, grated ginger, dried red chilies for some heat, and a chopped scallion, or green onion, along with a little bit more oil if needed. We'll give it a stir until they're fragrant. Just the sizzle and the fragrance of the ingredients is making my mouth water. I can't wait to dig in. Then, we'll mix everything together. While the mushrooms are cooking, we'll quickly mix our cornstarch slurry. That's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 1 tablespoon of cold water. Next, we'll add back our steamed bok choy and stir all the ingredients together. Then we'll add in the stir-fry sauce, giving it one last whisk, being sure to pour the sauce across all the ingredients to coat them evenly. Then we'll go in quickly with the cornstarch slurry, stirring before adding to get the cornstarch to settle to the bottom. This will help the stir-fry sauce thicken and give it a velvety texture that helps it adhere to all the vegetables. Without it, the stir-fry feels a bit plain. This is what we're looking for. Now we'll turn off the heat and add some green onions, which adds a nice zingy bite to the stir-fry. For the full written recipe, check out the video description box below, or visit us at berryberrylife.com. And be sure to check out our channel for other great recipes like this. That's it. Mushroom bok choy stir fry is done. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to check out our other stir fry recipe videos on our channel, or visit us at berryberrylife.com. Also remember to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. All hail the algorithm. Today, we're enjoying this stir fry as is, just a big heaping bowl of it. There you have it, mushroom bok choy stir fry. A taste of China in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!